Hey, have you ever heard this saying, when you sneeze, your heart stops beating? Is this true or just a myth? Today, let's uncover the truth. First, sneezing is a very complex process. When you sneeze, your body releases a lot of pressure instantly, which has a significant impact on your chest. But in reality, your heart doesn't completely stop beating. When we sneeze, the pressure in the chest changes briefly, which might affect the heart's rhythm, causing it to slightly delay or slow down momentarily. But this only lasts a few milliseconds, not a complete stop. So don't worry, your heart doesn't go on strike when you sneeze. Instead, your body is just making a quick adjustment to ensure everything continues to work smoothly. Do you have any other weird questions you want answered? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.